What's up, guys? Today I want to do a quick size comparison between the Fuji X100v, sorry I'm sick, and the Fuji XS10. So we don't have a lens on the XS10, but they are similar in size. I'm going to be taking this grip off in just a second. The good thing about the X100v is you've got this weather sealed, great little sharp lens. I've got the filter on the front, so it is weather sealed. And then, so the grip, like it is right now, it's got a pretty good grip. We've got the thumb grip on there and then the front grip. I'm gonna take that off because I kind of like to use it the way it comes, you know, without any extra accessories, just a small pocket camera. I don't like to fool with all the accessories that you can get for this. Oh man, why is this so hard? Okay, there we go, it's getting close. All right, so without any of these accessories, it's about the same height as the XS10, but it is thinner, doesn't have that extra grip, and you're not gonna be able to get a lens as thin as this. The 27, it's not quite as thin, so this is a better lens than the 27mm, and this is completely weather sealed, which this is not. So yeah, I actually think the X100v is significantly heavier though. It is a decently heavy camera. It's got some weight to it. It's got a nice build. But the best thing, my favorite thing about the X100v, just using it recently, has been this optical viewfinder. It's nice to be able to turn the screen off, have no screen on at all. I wish I could flip the screen so that you couldn't see the screen at all either, and just have that optical viewfinder. That's really nice. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos on both of these cameras, but I'm gonna have a lot more videos on the X100v soon, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Scroll through my other videos. I may have some other videos that interest you, and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, I think I said that twice. Thanks for watching.